Welcome to another Across Time double display unpacking. After not having too much luck last time with pulling 2 Darkness Bagramon and 2 Arrested Ramon Superior Mode Alt Arts out of 2 boxes back to back, I got 2 more boxes, so hopefully I pull better stuff this time, or like at least not the same stuff again. And that's what I'm doing. At first we look at the box topper again, hoping for the super rare Omnimon Alt Art. And it's Omnishoutmon foil number 3. That's not exactly a good sign. Like, it's 7 different cards and I pulled the exact same one 3 times. Maybe the limited card pack is good to me this time. Promo Pulsemon, that's a new one at least. And a second Hackmon. Okay, I can kinda live with that, but I still need Impmon and Bulukomon. So hopefully they'll be in the second pack. Now let's go through the booster packs. Shoutmon, Tubamon, Vmon, Wizardmon X, Growlmon, Mikemon, Gokumon, Koromon, Shogun Gekomon, Astamon. The first rare of the display is a Takato Tamer. Yeah. I don't even know what to say anymore. Like, yeah. The first booster already has one of the 2 big hits, and it's another Bagramon. Secret Rare normal art that is so undesired that it's, well, people sell it for €5, while something like Rena NR Secret Rare from the BT11 boxes was like 35 to 40. So you can kinda see how useless this card is. Wizardmon, Footmon, Arrested Ramon, Opossumon Baby, Ancient Wisemon, are you kidding me? This is from the same store than the other 2 boxes. Do they only have Darkness Bagramon and Arrested Ramon packs? Like, what did I do to deserve this? Oh my god. This can't be real. What is this simulation? I don't even want to open the rest of the packs anymore because I don't think there's anything. Yeah. There can't be anything cool inside. Maybe some random super rare Beelzemon X. Because I'm definitely not gonna pull a Silver Darkness Bagramon or Gold Omnimon Shoutmon Cross 7 Superior Mode out there. Mercurymon, Yagamon, Jokermon. How did I even mix the packs that I ended up with the 2 big hits in the first 2 packs? Like, what is this? V-Laser Final Crossblade. Shohakai. Kalmaramon, Shoutmon King, Stingmon, Koromon, Shining Blast, Balmon X, Geogreymon, Jokermon, Mikemon, Vmon, Zenimon, Pillowmon, Eevee Burger, Sephirothmon, Gigimon, Drugmon, Dino Beamon, Super Eradication Attack, Garnemon, Vmon, Mikemon, Eevee Burgermon, Pillowmon, Impmon, Gilmon, Torikara, Burgermon, X, Vmon, Paildramon, and Wargroundmon. You know what, I'm actually gonna stop with the packs of this display and open them off camera later, because the only thing that can come out of there super rares and stuff, and if I actually pull the gold or silver thing, I just film the rest and then upload this exact scene. So the second promo pack is the Rumon and Pulsemon. So no Impmon, no Bulukumon. And the box promotion pack, I swear if that's another Omnishout one, I'm gonna yes, it's the Omnimon, the super rare box topper. I don't know how you guys see it, but after this bullshit here, I kinda deserve this pull. I don't even really like the design of this thing, because it's rather boring without any background or stuff. But this detail here is kinda cool, like this random text. A holy warrior of light that strikes down evil with a blade of bravery. Yeah. As nice as this was, please, please, no more Darkness Bagramon or Arrested Ramon Superior Mode Alt Arts. I'm at a point where I'm actually gonna start to cry if I see one of those again in these packs. It's not even the first time something like this happens. Like Rena and Alt Art Galactimon in the BT11 displays that I pulled 2 times each out of 2 displays. The Lucemon Chaos Mode normal art and Emperor Greymon alt art. Also back to back in 2 boxes of BT7. Like, what is this? What did I do? At least this starts a bit better. Super rare Galantmon, which is, except for the secret rare Omni Shoutmon X7. No, not Omni. For the Shoutmon X7 Superior Mode secret rare. The only card of the set that I didn't pull at all in the first 2 boxes. So that's nice. Laplace's Demon. I kinda like this art because it looks like Ancient Wisemon is doing something with planets or stuff. Yagamon and his potato friend. Mercurymon. Great Maelstrom. Agumon. Marcus Edition. Mikemon. Flamemon. Gigimon. Restadramon. Lanamon. Tagiru. And Quartzmon. The maybe new Defexmon. Speaking of Defexmon, today news of the Ultimate Cup or something for July and August, I think, came. And Defexmon got restricted to 1 card per deck, or completely banned, which is really nice because it's such an annoying card and extremely expensive and hard to get. Shoutmon, Ryoma, Ekakimon, Burning Greymon, Rice Greymon, and Shining Blast. Ganemon, Dobermon, Sagomon, Gyogremon, Abomination, Potato, Monimon, Stingmon, Lampmon, Wheelaser, and Paildramon. Chuchumon, Swimmon, Thais Greymon, Gilmon, AB Burgermon, Senimon, Otamamon, Yu, Wormmon, Gumdrop Baby, Wargrowlmon, Granku Vagamon. More frogs, more mouses, mice, Spike Strike, Home Run Blast, Metal Life Kuwagamon, Impmon X, Astamon, Demi-Vemon, Shoutmon King, Gypped Particle Cannon, Takuya, another Vemon, Senimon, Pilomon, Foodmon, Impmon, Gilmon, Frog, Drugmon, Demi-Vemon, Iru, Imperialdramon, and Growlmon. Food. Trickster. Dino. Food. Agumon. Cutie. More food. Water Chick. Growlmon. Heart attack for 1 second, but it's the normal art. Arrested Dramon Superior mode. Yeah, I kinda would be happy about more Beelzemon. Like Quartzmon is cool. Yeah, I think Shine Greymon and Beelzemon X would be my preferred super rare hits. And Beelzemon X alt art would be my most preferred, like big hit. Koromon X, Vmon, Balmon X. Mercurymon, Geogrammon, Swimmon, Ganemon, Sagomon, Wisemon, Stingmon, Jetmurbermon. Oh, I think there's an alt art down there. Damemon, Paildramon. Oh no. But it's Beelzemon X normal art, which is super cool. Yeah, I really like this design. Me liking Beelzemon, shocking, right? Kalmaramon, Footmon, Thais Agumon, Gokumon, Wemon, more Wisemon, Omnishout, Psychmon, Gunimon, Sephirothmon. Oh, there's a super rare or higher final crossblade. Normal art Imperial Dramon fighter mode. In Imperial Dramon fighter mode's case, the normal art for this set actually looks better than the alt art, which happens from time to time, but I don't really get it, honestly. Like the set is weird in general. Like it has the, is it Gallantmon? Here, while the alt art is Imperial Dramon fighter mode alone. Then we have Gallantmon, who is alone in his normal art, but then has Beelzemon in his alt art. So it's kind of a weird choice consistency-wise. But yeah. Kakimon, Agunimon, Ren, Overflowing Power, and Aldamon. Here's hoping that one of the two missing super rares is Shine Greymon. Vmon, Nikemon, Agumon, Dobermon, Foodmon, Aristodramon, Sephirothmon, Gigimon, Davis, and another Aldamon. Oops. Gilmon, Zenimon, Epiburger, Otamamon, U, 7 full cluster, Burning Greymon, Tai, and Clockmon. Home Run Blast, Wisemon, Marcus Agumon, Great Maelstrom, Spiking Strike, Sagumon, Koromon, Ryoma, Big Frog, Rice Greymon, and Davis. Yagamon, Swimmon, Omnishout, Shohakai. Oh, there's something shining down there. Tuvamon, Dobermon, Dragmon, Monimon, Iru, Aldamon, and Greymon. The normal art Greymon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs left. One more super rare and both big hits of the box. Yeah, and in theory, Silver Bagramon or Gold Shoutmon Across 7 superior. But realistically, that's not gonna happen. Especially because this box already had the Omnimon box topper. So there's the very small chance in the display I stopped. Oh, there's an altered, I think, Grand Kuwagamon. It's not an altered, it's Emperor Greymon. Okay. So within the 7 packs left, there's both big hits. Okay, that's not one of them. Gekomon, Yagamon, Shoutmon, Tubamon, Vmon, Possumon, Food, Lana, Takuya, and Ancient Wisemon. Dobermon, Tubamon, Great Maelstrom, Mikemon, Foodmon, Pillowmon, Impmon, Agunimon, Ren, Watchmaker, Taiki. 5 more packs. Gokumon, Kalmaramon, Agumon, Chumon, Flamemon, Xwemon, Womon, Gumdramon, Ancient Mermaimon, and Marcus. Okay, that should be another rare pack. Bergamon, Wisemon, Greymon, Geckomon, Homeborn Blast, Laplace's Demon, Yasiamon, Jetmirrormon, Opossumon, Torikara Ballmon, Overflowing Power, and Takato. 3 packs left. Now, did I actually mix them so that both the big hits are at the bottom, or nope? That's a big hit pack. And this is 2. So we're gonna open the last one first. Or more like look at them, because they are already open. So we have Wizardmon X, Yagamon, Flamemon, Mermaimon, Gokumon, Tubamon, Shoutmon, Lampmon, Kozenimon, Psychmon, Grankovagamon, and Paledramon. I'm gonna throw up if this is one more Darkness Bargramon or Arrested Ramon Superior Mode. Okay. Gilmon, Tamamon, Zenimon, Kalmaramon, Greymon, Chohakaimon, Laplace's Demon, Koromon, Ryoma, Shogun Geckomon, Balmon. Ooh! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, this box is beautiful. My boy Bilsimon X Alt Art. Look at him. Oh, he's so amazing in both artworks. Oof, and he's so expensive. I'm so glad I don't have to buy him. And oh, oops. I already saw something white. This means I'm already happy, because that's a Tamer alt art. No more Darkness Bargramon and no more Arrested Ramon Superior Mode. At least for this opening. We have Shoutmon, Betsumon, Great Maelstrom, Sagomon, Wizardmon X, Potemon, Agumon, Damemon, Shogun Geckomon, 7 Full Cluster, Ancient Mermaimon, and which Tamer is it? Well, it's a chance. Out of 7. Tai, Davis, Takato, Takuya, Marcos, Taiki, Tagiru. Which one would I like to have? Or which one do I think it is? I'm gonna say Davis. And it's Marcos. I'm not sad about that. The sweet release. Okay, so that's it. The big hits of the box are Emperor Greymon, Beelzemon X, War Greymon, Imperial Dramon Fighter Mode, Arrestor Dramon Superior Mode, Quartzmon, and Gallantmon, as well as Marcus Damon Alt Art, Beelzemon X Antibody Alt Art, and Omni. Oh my god, I'm saying Omni Shoutmon for the whole unpacking today. Omnimon Box Topper BT5 reprint, as well as the trash from the first display. So that's it for today. See you next time.